Friends, today our topic is mixture and alligation. So, mixture and alligation. So, first we draw basic alligation chart. The basic alligation chart is like that. There are two circles. First circle, low price cost product. Low price cost product. Second circle, high price cost product. Clear? These two mixed in a ratio which is mixed cost, mixed or average age. Clear? And mixed has two outcomes. One is quantity of low cost product, and another is quantity of high cost product. So in this alligation table we saw here price convert into quantity, low price convert into into quantity, and high price convert into also quantity of high cost product. Clear? So if we draw here low cost means L, and here another circle high cost means H, and mixed means M, then we can write from this three price product, always L greater than M greater than H. Clear? That means the two outcomes, one gives us H minus M, and another one gives us M minus L. Clear? Now let's start with the math. And our first math is in what ratio must rice at rupees 10 per kg be mixed with rice at rupees 15 per kg so that the mixture be with rupees 12 kg. Clear? So in this math, in what ratio must rice rupees 10 kg be mixed with rice at rupees 15 kg so that the mixture will be rupees at 12 kg? This is very basic math. So this is low cost and this is high cost and this is mixed cost. So we draw the alligation box, alligation chart. So here 10 and here 15, and mixed cost 12. So this one 15 minus 12, that means 3, and this one 12 minus 10, that means 2. Clear? So the ratio of the mixture is 3:2. Clear? That means in the ratio of 3:2, the ratio of rice 3 and the ratio of rice 10 kg is 3 and ratio of rice 15 kg is 2. So the answer is 3:2. Clear? So our next math, we take our next math. 12,500 students appeared in an exam. 15% of boys and 17% of the girls cleared the examination. If the total percent of students qualifying is 60%, how many girls appear in the exam? Clear? This is our question. That means there are 12,500 students and 15% of boys and 17% of girls cleared the exam. If the total percentage of student qualifying is 60%, how many girls appear in the exam? Clear? So we draw our alligation chart. The alligation chart, first low percentage, that means 50, and here high percentage, that means 70. And if the total percent of student qualifying, that means the total percent of student is a mixed student of boys and girls, so it is 60. Clear? So the outcomes, two circles are 60 minus 50, that means 10, and 70 minus 60, that means 10. So the ratio is 10:10. That means the ratio is 1:1. Clear? So the girls number is how many girls? So the girls number is total student 12,500 into on the denominator 1 plus 1 2, and on the upper part the portion of girls, that means 1. That means the number of total students is 6,250 students are girl student. Clear? Hope you understand the math. So our next math is a man has 100 kg of rice, part of which he sells at 5% profit and the rest at 20% profit. He gains 15% on the 15% on the whole. Find how much is sold at 5% profit. Clear? A man has 100 kg of rice, part of which he sells at 5% profit and the rest at 20% profit. Clear? He gains 15% on whole. That means 15% on both, on 5% profit and 20% profit. Find how much is sold at 5% profit. That means first 5% profit, how much is sold. Clear? So we draw our alligation chart. Our first low cost, that means 5, second 20 high cost, and the mixed, because he gained 15% on whole, that means high cost and low cost both, from both, that means 15. And the outing circles are 20 minus 15, that means 5, and 15 minus 5, that means 10. So the ratio is 5:10, that means 1:2. Clear? So 5% profit ratio is 1 and 20% profit ratio is 2. Clear? 1 kg and 2 kg. So how much is sold at 5% profit? So if we take the total kg is 100, then on the denominator 2 plus 1 3, and 5 kg, for 5 kg here, for 5% here 1 kg, that means 1, so 33 by 1/3 kg. Clear? It's very simple. Our next math is in what ratio T costing rupees 60 per kg be mixed with T costing rupees 65 per kg, so that there may be a profit of 10% by selling it at rupees 68.2 per kg. Clear? This is very important math for any competitive examination. Clear? So in what ratio T costing 60 rupees per kg be mixed with T 65 rupees per kg, so that there may be a profit of 10% by selling at the cost of 68.2 per kg. Clear? So first, one thing we have to know, graphical presentation the allegation table always presentation for the same nature of the product. Here the costing, that means cost price, here also the costing, that means cost price, but mixed. But when he sell and the selling price is 68.2 per kg at the rate of 10% interest. That means first it is cost price, it is also cost price, but it is selling price. So we first make the selling price into cost price. So what is our formula? Cost, convert selling price from cost price. So cost price equal to 100 by 100 plus gain percentage, gain percentage or profit percentage, or profit percentage, clear, into selling price, clear, into selling price. So 100 by 100 plus profit means 10 into selling price means 68.2. that means 100 by 110 into 68.2, 0 cancel, here cancel, 6.2, that means 62 kg, that means rupees 62 kg, that means rupees 62 per kg cost price. So cost price 60 rupees 62 per kg, clear. Now we make the alligation table or alligation chart. Now our alligation chart, here first low price 60 rupees per kg, here high price 65 rupees per kg, they mixed, cost price 62 rupees per kg, clear. Then our outcomes two circles are 65 minus 62, that means 3, and here 62 minus 60, that means 2. So the ratio is 3:2. That means we can say that 60 rupees per kg tea and 65 rupees per kg tea mixed at 3:2 ratio, clear. Okay, hope you understand all the problems. And our next problem is in an examination 35% of total students fails in Hindi. 45% of failed in English, and 20% in both. Find the percentage those who passed in both subjects, clear. This is also very important math, clear. So how we solve it? First, think, in an examination 35% of total student fail in Hindi and 45% fail in English, and 20% in both. That means 25 and 20%, that means 20% student fail in both. They are fail in English and they are fail in Hindi. Find the percentage those who passed in the both subject. Find the percentage of students, those who passed in the both subject, clear. So first we draw the alligation chart. The alligation chart is here 35, here 45, clear, and this one is 20, clear. That means 35% of fail in Hindi and 45% fail in English, and both failed in 20%. So only uh, only in Hindi and only in English failed is 25%, and here 20 minus 35 minus 20, that is 15%. Clear? So what is the percentage of passed? That means what is the percentage of passing percentage? Clear? So we consider the total student is 100 minus 20% failed in 20% failed in Hindi, 15% failed in 15% failed in 15% failed in English, and both failed in 20%. Clear? So our past student, the total fail minus total student minus the total fail student percentage. Clear? This one is 100 minus 40 minus 60%. That means 40% student are passed in both subject. Clear? Hope you like the video, and very soon I release the part 2 of mixture and alligation, because there are so many parts are coming out in the next few days. Please support us, subscribe my channel, and like and share my videos. Thank you.